Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
This spiral cutter uses a simple lead screw mechanism to turn a humble potato into a snack masterpiece. Precision landscaping. This two-stroke engine hedge trimmer spins its blades at over 4,000 strokes per minute. For perfect lines, this long-reach trimmer uses a reciprocating blade, just like a high-speed barber's clipper. This small tiller's augers replace the back-breaking work of digging furrows for planting by hand. A laser guide ensures this industrial bandsaw makes a perfect cut, turning a raw log into usable lumber. This is sluice box mining. Riffles in the channel trap heavy materials like gold, washing away lighter sand. This packaging machine uses pneumatic actuators to achieve repeatable precision, filling hundreds of pouches a minute. A high-tech cookie cutter, this press applies hundreds of pounds of force to perfectly form each mooncake. This is a brilliant low-tech solution for decorative walls, using a patterned roller instead of wallpaper. This hydraulic grapple can lift over 15,000 pounds, making it a mechanical muscle for the logging industry. The saw's high-speed steel blade cuts with a combination of force and over 8,000 feet per minute of speed. This demolition hammer pulverizes brick using over 1,500 powerful blows per minute. Always wear eye protection. Here, a 2,000 psi water jet blasts away years of grime, revealing the wood's original grain. This machine tumbles quail eggs, gently cracking and peeling the shells without damaging the delicate insides. Watch the ballet of the assembly line. These vacuum suction cups gently handle thousands of eggs per hour. A simple but effective bookbinding tool, this machine glues and applies edge tape with perfect consistency. This bill counter uses optical scanners to verify and count over 1,000 notes a minute with precision. This dual-head CNC router carves 2 spoons at once, following a precise digital toolpath. This self-propelled forage harvester can chop over 150 tons of silage per hour, an agricultural beast. The articulated arm on this industrial trimmer gives it incredible reach for maintaining large-scale landscapes. A hydraulic ram generates over 20 tons of force, splitting dense hardwood logs with ease. This road crew is a symphony of efficiency, grading, collecting, and loading debris in one smooth pass. An excavator with a ballast profiling attachment. It's crucial for ensuring railroad tracks remain perfectly level. This power trowel's spinning blades create a perfectly smooth, dense concrete surface for flooring. Automation in the kitchen. This machine perfectly fries, flips, and finishes hundreds of donuts an hour. Despite automation, some tasks like winding this motor stator still require the delicate touch of human hands. This paver laying method is pure genius, dramatically speeding up a labor-intensive, back-breaking job. This flail mower mulches orchard prunings, returning vital organic matter directly back into the soil. This massive plate roller bends half-inch thick steel into a cone as if it were paper. Here's a homemade mechanical shear. It uses the simple physics of a flywheel and lever to cut metal. The rotational torque of this auger-style splitter is immense, tearing wood fibers apart from the inside out. A clever application of a simple spinning blade, this machine shreds fresh coconut meat in seconds. This is a metal shaper, a classic machine that shaves off thousandths of an inch with each pass. Before modern CNC, this is how it was done, a master craftsman filing facets into gold by hand. Here, molten glass at over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit is pressed into molds to create intricate shapes. This is pure skill. The mason uses the granite's natural cleavage planes to achieve a perfect split. Those are grinding media for a ball mill, used to pulverize rock into fine powder for processing. This is some serious DIY ingenuity, turning a rice cooker and an angle grinder into a rice mill. What an incredible time saver! This specialized tool spins nuts onto bolts faster than any hand could. A drill press with a sanding drum attachment is a great trick for finishing curved interior wood surfaces. This is a traveling head die cutter, using thousands of pounds of pressure to punch out leather shapes. This is laser welding. An intensely focused beam of light melts and fuses metal with surgical precision. Look at that control. The artist uses heat and gravity to stretch this molten glass like taffy. Here, the glassblower uses a wet block of wood to rapidly cool and shape the molten glass. This robotic palletizer arm can lift and stack thousands of pounds of material tirelessly, 24/7. Sometimes the simplest method is best. These workers are wrapping pipes with a protective layer by hand. This is a shoe lasting machine, stretching and forming the leather upper around the shoe form. An old-school human chain is still one of the most efficient ways to harvest produce without damage. On this assembly line, each worker has a specialized task, creating a fast and efficient workflow. This wood lathe spins at high RPM, allowing a single blade to quickly shape a uniform dowel rod. The jewelry industry relies on this kind of detailed hand assembly for the final, intricate touches. This hydraulic shear cuts through solid steel bars like a hot knife through butter. Incredible force. This device is the ultimate watermelon slicer, creating perfect, uniform wedges in a single push. This automated drilling and tapping machine ensures every hole and thread is perfectly identical. The flexibility of this belt sander is key for smoothing complex welds in hard-to-reach areas. This laser cutter is so precise it can clean up slag from inside a pipe without damaging it. A modern bandsaw mill can convert a massive log into finished lumber in a matter of minutes. Here, a fiberglass mesh is being embedded into mortar on foam, creating a strong, lightweight panel. A pneumatic staple gun makes quick work of attaching this upholstery webbing, ensuring a tight fit. The artisan uses a diamond-tipped burr on a rotary tool to meticulously carve this piece of jade. This simple wire mesh rack is a brilliant low-tech way to quickly harvest sunflower seeds. Watch the CNC Z-axis. It precisely controls the cutting depth to perfectly hollow out the spoon bowl. This power scraper uses a sharp, oscillating blade to make removing old, glued-down flooring a breeze. This is a suction dredger, using a high-powered pump to vacuum up sand and shells from the seabed. This floating sluice box allows prospectors to process riverbed material directly in the water. Sawdust is compressed under immense pressure and heat to create these dense, energy-rich wood pellets. They're setting up a massive ball mill, a rotating drum that will be filled with ore and steel balls. This automated peeler is perfectly calibrated to follow the mango's contour, removing only the skin. This commercial shredder can process hundreds of pounds of cabbage per hour for restaurants and delis. This food extruder forces dough through a shaped die to create these uniform, puffed rice snacks. This centrifugal spinner uses high-speed rotation to fling water off vegetables, drying them in seconds.